Vinayaka Dantin. In some quarters of Hindu Aaiyyanist history, Dantin was said to be the evil demon shadow of Ganesha. Other Aaiyyanist historians claim that he is his own being, and separate from the high gods, and is in fact a god of demonic entities. Suffice it to say that the Aaiyyanist tantric scholars from the ancient past describe Dantin as a being with a shadow body and a twisted deformed elephant head. Vinayaka Dantin is mentioned briefly in the Vedas and Puranas, but it is in Hindu Dravidian Aaiyyanist texts that he is mainly described. The story of Dantin in Aaiyyanist texts tells of a shadow demon, a mirror image of good, that describes the very essence of negativity and evil. It describes a being springing forth from Brahma, as a dark shadow, with the knowledge on how to reintegrate with Brahman via tremendous forces of negative energy. Just as Ganesha is the essence of Shiva the destroyer, so Dantin is the essence of Brahma the creator. Thus the similarities between Ganesha and Dantin, i.e. both having elephant heads. After many tales on Dantin's power, he was eventually sent, or retired to, the Vinayaka Dantin Tala which he solely resides. In this Tala, negative dimension, other entities can petition Dantin on the knowledge on how to produce the energy to link with Brahman. In this regard, Dantin told the ancient Kalayyans that the blood sacrifice and the energies of a Rakshasa and Asura, described in the next sections, would be required to open up the Kali and Shiva Tala lokas, and thus begin the joining process with Brahman. Dantin is important as he is one of the direct links between man and Brahman, via the Talas, and he is the master of negative energy transference. So traditionally Aaiyanists have summoned Dantin, if they require large amounts of negative energy, to be leached or directed. Remember, as described in previous sections, the ancient Kalayyans thought that they could link their emperor Kalkadayan with Brahman. One way was to break the links between positive dimensions, lokas, and link with the gods, including Murugan. In order to break down lokas, one can inscribe the lokas symbols onto the ground. To break down all the numerous lokas, one can use the collective meditative will of thousands of people, positioned in the same coordinate space as the Loka Dravidian symbols, to create a giant canvas that the inscriptions can be written on metaphorically. The individuals in this ritual must be experiencing the meditative state of Parilian to break down the Loka. There must be tremendous amounts of positive energy required for this, so having lots of people, or many powerful resonant Aaiyanists is a good thing. However, the Kalayyans were corrupt people, and found that breaking down Talas, negative dimensions, would be more beneficial to their practice. The opposite meditative state of Parilian is experienced when one is at the state of death, and is called by Aaiyanists, Ad Parilian. So to garner tremendous amounts of negative energy, the Kalayyans thought it would be easier to sacrifice hundreds of thousands of humans, rather than linking them all in the meditative state of Brahman's love, Parilian. As it happens, the Kalayyans did not have enough souls, or energy, to finish the ritual 15,000 years ago, but many Hindu Aaiyanists believe that the ritual will be enacted in the near future to finish the linking, now that the hidden incarnation of Murugan has appeared.